Welcome to Tiny Curators. Today I picked one thing. Let me tell you why scientists think it matters. In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope took a photo. The photo showed three giant columns floating in space. Astronomers named them the Pillars of Creation. The image became one of the most famous astronomy pictures ever taken. But here is the weird part. In that first photo, the pillars look dark and solid. They look like huge towers made of smoke. No one could see what was inside them. Then, in 2015, Hubble looked at the same spot again. This time it used infrared light, and everything got a lot more interesting. The pillars of creation are in a place called the Eagle Nebula. Scientists also call it Messier 16. It is a giant cloud of gas and dust in the constellation Serpens. The pillars themselves are three connected columns of dense gas. The tallest one is about 4 light years tall. That sounds small, but 1 light year is almost 6 trillion miles. So the pillar is enormous. The gas inside is very cold and very thick. That thick gas is exactly what new stars need to form. The pillars of creation are a stellar nursery. New stars are being born inside them right now. The Eagle Nebula sits about 6,500 light years from Earth. Regular cameras see visible light. That is the same light your eyes see, but infrared light is different. It has a longer wavelength. Your eyes cannot see infrared, but special cameras on space telescopes can, and infrared light does something amazing. It passes through dust. Visible light cannot do that. That is why the 1995 image showed dark, solid pillars. The dust was blocking the light. But when Hubble took the infrared image in 2015, the dust became almost see-through. Scientists could look right into the pillars. Inside, they found something incredible: hundreds of baby stars. Scientists call them protostars. They had been hiding inside the dust the whole time. Did you know you can compare both images side by side on the NASA website? The difference is enormous. Before these images, scientists knew stars formed in clouds of gas and dust, but seeing it up close changed everything. Study, the infrared image is one of the clearest pictures ever taken of stars being born. NASA and the European Space Agency have used both images to study how star formation works. Teddy, they have also found something surprising. The pillars are slowly disappearing. Nearby hot young stars send out powerful radiation. That radiation carves away at the edges of the pillars. Scientists call this process photoevaporation. Over millions of years, the pillars will be gone. But the stars forming inside them will still be there. The pillars of creation are disappearing, and in disappearing, they are making new suns. That was the pillars of creation. One place in space, photographed twice, once in visible light, once in infrared. Each time, scientists saw something different. The 1995 image showed the outside. The 2015 image showed what was hiding inside. Both images are free to look at in the NASA image gallery right now. I think you should search for them and look at both side by side. That was one thing. If there is something you want me to find out about, put it in the comments. See you next time.